Hello friends, this is Akshay here. Today we are going to talk about one of the super cool technique that is called live in the present moment. So we have heard it many times before, like live in the present, but when it comes to applying in the practicality, we we mess up the things and somehow we think about the future, think about the past, meanwhile we forget about the present. So how we can come back to our present moment each and every time we get diverted. So the first of all, the sequence is like this. The first sequence is awareness. It will not happen overnight, but this is one of the most easiest technique that will helpful for you to practice whenever you want, wherever you want, how many times you want. You can do it easily. Trust me, you can do it easily. So how we can increase the awareness, it will come over the period of time by repetition, by doing it over and over again, and doing it on continuous basis. Okay. The second thing is most of the time whenever we deal with something, we forget about the things, we ignore about the things that is present or available in front of our eyes. Yes, in front of our eyes. For example, if I'm sitting in front of a television, I'm watching some cricket match. I'm watching cricket match, I'm enjoying that moment, that is perfectly fine. But at the same time, I'm thinking about, okay, what happened to the cricket matches in the past? What will happen to the future final? Who will win the World Cup? All these things. So that triggers some of the anxiety button in our mind. So we'll be thinking, oh no, this guy not played, that played, like this. And we start scolding, we start abusing, and in the meanwhile, if somebody disturbs us, we get irritated also. So to deal with this, we always need to bring our focus back into the present moment. For example, if I am watching a television, if somebody is playing the ball, my focus should be 100% on the ball. My focus should be 100% on the television. My focus should be 100% on what is shown in the television only. Okay, let's forget about cricket now or television now. Now let's talk about something. Let's talk about nothing. Okay. Let's say I don't have anything in. It's just a white wall, white wall in front of me. I'm just recording this video. I don't have anything to think. Look, can I do something to think about this wall or capture something that is present on this wall or get some narration out of that wall? So if I see here, I will show you. It looks like this. You can see how it looks. There are some textures, some rough textures on the wall. Can I try to bring my attention to all the lines one by one, as long as I am standing in front of the wall? Yes, I can do that. If I'm looking at the window, outside window, there are some trees, some plants, some flowers are there. Can I think about those flowers? Can I think about, can I capture the information about that white flower, yellow flower, red flower, pink flower? Can I capture the information about the structure of the leaf? How it looks? It's a long leaf, it's a short leaf, it's a patchy leaf, it's going to fall down after some days during the autumn. Can I capture that information? So when I am doing such kind of things, I'm not thinking about what will happen tomorrow, what happened yesterday. I'm just thinking about that is present in front of my eyes. I'm capturing the information that is present in front of my eyes. The same with listening also. For example, I'm sitting here and I'm hearing something in the refrigerator murmuring. Can I can I listen to that carefully? At the same time, there are some twitter of the birds from the window. It is coming. Can I listen to that carefully? Can I just try to figure out which bird it is? So, doing such kind of activities, you will become more and more aware about your present. You will live more and more in your present moment. You take anything, because each and every point of time we'll be having something in front of our eyes, or our ears will be hearing something. So if we capture or analyze that particular information at that point of time, then we won't think like, okay, somebody betrayed us yesterday, whether we'll find our love tomorrow. No. I hope you all got some good benefit out of this video, and try this regularly. Trust me, you are going to love it. Okay, until then, take care. Bye bye.